This short video will demonstrate how many Adobe software applications nest or organize the tool sets together. There are a lot of tools on the main toolbars in Adobe software applications that you don't see. Adobe utilizes a nesting system of organization. There are tools stacked or nested in the same icon space. If the tools were not nested, they would take over your entire drawing area. Nested tools can be identified by the white triangle located at the bottom right-hand corner of each icon. There are two main ways to access tools that are nested together. The first way is to pick on an icon with a white triangle and hold down the icon. A nested tool flyout will show itself. You can pick any tool from the flyout. Notice how the tool dynamically changes on the options panel. The second way is reserved for when you are already familiar with each set of nested tools and their keyboard shortcuts. To illustrate this point, the keyboard command for gradient is G. The paint bucket is nested with the gradient tool. If I pick G on the keyboard, the last tool I used out of that nested group becomes the active tool. If I used the paint bucket last, which seems to be the case here, then when I type G on the keyboard, the paint bucket is activated and not the gradient tool. But if instead I wanted the gradient tool, I could cycle through the nested group by holding down the Option key on a Mac or the Alt key on a PC. So all I'm doing to cycle through is holding the Option key down and just picking on the icon. As I cycle through these tools, notice how the tool changes dynamically on the Options panel as well. Practice identifying nested tool groups by picking and holding down on the icon or cycling through the icons with key commands.